Hello everyone. Today we will going to discuss how we will going to install the Node.js and Visual Studio. So the first thing is we have to download the Node.js and install the Node.js, and we have to set up the path in the system environment variable. Then after that we need to verify what the Node version and npm version we have installed. Post that we can see download and installation of the Visual Studio. So let's see how we can install the Node.js. So let's type here as a Node.js download. Now click on the first link, download Node.js. Here we will be able to see the Windows installer. So let's click over here. So it will download the Node.js. Just click on that. Let's go to the file. So here we will be able to see this node, right? Once you double click, you will be able to see this particular interface. Okay, as I have already installed. Alright. Okay, so let's install once again. Okay, so as it is telling that the setup wizard will be install Node.js on your computer. So let's give here next. Here accept the agreement and click on next. Click on next. Next. And you can click on the next and install here. So it will going to take it might going to take around 10 to 20 seconds. So let's wait here. So as I was already installed the npm version or node version, so it is removing the existing files over here when I have installing the latest node version here. So it is successful installed here. So let's go to the C drive. In the C drive, you will be able to see the program files. Here you will be able to see the Node.js folder where you have to copy this particular path. Next, we have to set up the environment. So for setting the environment, we need to search with the system environment variable. So we will be able to see this particular stuff over here. So click on this edit system environment variable. Here we will be able to see the environment variable. So here we will be able to see path. So we need to search for the path. So once after that, click on the edit over here, right? And here already I have given the path for the this particular Node.js. Consider if you don't have this particular path. Okay. Now, if you want to add that particular path, then what you can do, you can click on the new here, and whatever you have copied the path, you can paste over here. Okay. So this is the first thing which we have to do. So again, we will be having something known as a node modules over here. So again, copy this particular path and paste it in your system variable. So click on the new and paste the path and click on OK, and here as well OK, and here also OK. And now open the command prompt. So in the command prompt, just run npm -v to check the npm version. So it is saying that here we are having the npm version as 11.9.0. So if you want to check the node version, we can say here node-v, so that it will give v22.11.0. So where we have installed the node as well. So let's go to the next steps of our installation part. So once we have verified the node and npm version, let's download and install the Visual Studio Code. So let's search Visual Studio Code download. Okay. Here we will be able to see multiple links here, right? So click on first link and you can click here Windows. If you are a Mac user, you can click on this particular Mac here. Otherwise, go ahead with the Windows. So once it get downloaded, click on the Visual Studio here and choose the option as a I agree the agreement. Click on the next button, click on the next button and install here. It might take the few minutes. So let's wait for it get it installed. So once after that, you can click on this particular checkbox and you can say finish, so that it will open or launch your particular Visual Studio over here. Okay. As I was having already a project, that's why it is showing the project over here. Okay. So this is how exactly we will going to download and install the Node.js and as well as the Visual Studio. Thanks so much, everyone.